Welcome, today in front of me Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to turn off this device. So to do that, we should press the power key button on the right side of our phone, and now we can see here the screen that just to turn off the device, we should press the volume up button and power key button. For example, let's use it just. And now we can see here the power off menu. So just to turn off device, click here to power off icon, wait just a little bit, and after the vibration we can see that the screen is dark, and this means that our device is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.